record-breaking month. 2025, we have been absolutely crushing it. If you have been watching my videos, you know for the past 2 weeks, 605.80 was the best level to short. I've been preaching this to the community. I've been preaching this to YouTube. This is the best level to short. Anything in between is not the best setups at the best prices. 605.80 was the best level. Today, printed 5 points. You take that in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 point short 2 times in a row from just trading our key level. In tonight's video, I'm going to bring over the trades that I'm taking today, as well as preparing you guys trade the best setups at the best prices. Let's get into it. So, if you look at this morning's trend, right, where we ended up opening, we're very extended. I took a quick little short here. This was like 25-cent move, bam, right? And now pay attention to this trend, right? We rip up, we sell off, high or low. We rip up, this is where I shorted again at the gap at 604.52. Shorted again, sold the move, right? I'm telling the Discord the entire time. Guys, I don't know what's going to happen. I'm buying where I'm supposed to be buying, and I'm selling the move. Each trade was 20 to 30 cents on our contracts. Cool, right? So keep an eye on this trend. We rip up, sell off, high or low. Rip up, sell off, high or low. Rip up. This is where we shorted at the high of the morning session. Josh ain't telling you that. No one's telling you that. No other mentor is giving you a predetermined trade for 2 weeks. All you have to do is sit on your hands, buy safe contracts, and that is it. The rest is history. This was the best trade. This stuff is just me trading price action, right? I'm one of the greatest ever option trader. I'm not even capping. I'm dead serious. I believe it. And this is me just sniping, right? I'm hitting 20, 30 contracts. Boom, boom, boom. 4 figures off 2 trades. Done, right? 20, 30 contracts. Crush it. Patience. We go up to our key level. All right, baby. Let's go, baby. February 14th, Valentine's Day. That's why I chose it. Valentine's Day. I do this for real on this side. You don't buy micro contracts in a macro move. I ended up buying macro contracts on a macro move. And look what SPY ended up doing from our level. If you would have just bought at the line, you didn't even flip red more than 4 cents even on same day contracts. And look at what exactly we did. Not only that, right? We know that SPY could come up for a double top. I was alerting the Discord in this morning. I told them, I'm like, we can easily come back to 606.30. We can easily come back for a double top, okay? And look, we're rejected. This was the level I was waiting for. I got in early. The level we're waiting for, 606.30. Amazing rejection right off it. And look at another 5 point dump. Are you guys taking this in? I needed to stop trading after these 2 micro trades. I'm not greedy. I made my daily goal in these 2 trades and then hit it up the high of the day and absolutely banked on that, right? This is what day trading is all about. And we knew where's our price target once we reject 605.80. Yesterday's previous closing price. And look exactly where we bounced. Yes, we overthrew it because we had resistance. Resistance dumped down. We held at support. That's why we got the upside. Okay, so even if you were bullish and you waited for PCP to become a support, another 5 point rip up. I gave you guys a 15 point move today. If you bought 1 contract for $1.50, this morning, you would have made 6 months of the Daily Sniper with 1 contract. That's it. You don't need to hit big size at all. You do not. People think you need to hit 100, 200, 300 contracts, right? And I used to thought I had to do that too until I started scaling back, and then I make way more money, probably 5x what the people that trade 100 contracts do. This is my biggest month to date, right? In the last year and a half, this is my by far biggest month. Biggest freaking month. And you know what I've been doing? 0 losses. Yo, look at this. Look at the 0 losses. Because I'm trading the best setups at the best prices. And everyone, a part of my live stream, knows it. I've been seeing plays. I called them. I'm like, this is probably going to happen. I don't like it. This is probably going to happen. I don't like it. Because when we wait, patiently wait for the best setups at the best prices, it's a 5 point drop. If you know anything to do with options trading, tell me what this printed, right? And then tell me what the gap close reversal printed. And then tell me what another 5-point drop printed. A double top at our key level. Yeah, we made a higher high. Look at that drop. 5-point drop. Like, you could have made $1 million off of 10 grand today. Obviously, if you held from top to bottom. But it just goes to show, if you just have patience, right? In this morning's live stream, you want to know the 3 levels that we were trading with today? 605.80. 604.52, the open gap. 601.50. Look at the bounce. Look at the bounce. Look at the rejection. Look at the support. Look at the support, support, support. Look at the rejection. 3 levels. You don't need EMA lines. You don't need indicators. You don't need POC. You don't need nothing. You just need to look at SPY's history, and that's how you make money. I do this time and time again, right? And I'm able to make decent money, right? I don't like to talk about money, especially publicly, but I do well for myself, okay? And if I'm able to do well, and 6 years ago, I was in steel toe boots, anyone can do this. It's just about learning the right fundamentals to trade. It's about having good risk management, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, right? It's not about hitting a couple hundred contracts for 10 cents and be like, yo, I made $2,000 today. Buddy, I made over $2,000 today trading freaking 20 contracts. That's real skill, right? It's not about hitting heavy size and just selling when you get lucky. That's not skill. That's why it's everyone's job and duty out here before you pay anyone online to just know what you're paying for and how much you're paying and who it's going to. Right? You need proper education. I told the Discord today, don't judge me on how much money I make. This is not a showboating contest. I'm comfortable. I don't claim to be freaking top G, richest guy in the world, right? I'm comfortable. I don't like talking about money. But judge me on my losses. Judge me on how good I lose. Judge me on how good my setups are. Don't judge me of making $2,000, $3,000 in a little candle. That's not showboating. That's like degen stuff, right? It's literally degen stuff. If you're an actual good trader, you're going to capitalize on moves more than 10 cents. Oh, made $1,000. Oh, made $2,000. And I'm telling you, I used to trade 100 contracts. I'm literally making more money now trading 20 to 30 contracts than I used to because I'm able to hold for the move. I'm not panicking heavy size like, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. No, I'm not letting multiple contracts go to zero, right? We don't do that. Because that's just degen stuff. We are literally buying in at the best levels where we're wrong once. Risk to a 1 to 2 risk, 1 to 3 risk. That's our risk to reward. That's it, right? And if that's not the setup where we're wrong once, I don't take the trade. And yes, I miss out on multiple trades. I've been doing this for a decade. I see a million trades, but for my community, I hold back and I only want to teach the best setups at the best prices. There's no guarantee to options trading, right? I can give you the best setups at the best prices and it could not work, right? And if there was one strategy that worked every single time, every good trader would be a billionaire. There's no one strategy fits all and one just works for the rest of your life. You have to learn to adapt to the market at all times. I've been adapting recently. 2025, 6 figures, and guess what? We're just getting started because we're not gambling. We're not trading same day. Sometimes I do trade same days, but I'm not generally looking for same day contracts. I'm looking to buy time because if you actually have money and you actually have a big account, everyone knows in options, the more capital you have is the less risk you take. Brokies trade same days. Prove me wrong. Prove me wrong. It's a fact. I'm sorry. Sure, I don't know one successful day trader that doesn't take massive, immense losses trading same day contracts. It's a proven fact. So this is the strategy that I do. I don't rely on indicators. I don't rely on outside noise. I play SPY's history, and that's how we're able to capitalize on such massive, massive moves like this. So moving forward to tomorrow, what are we looking at? Best level to be watching at, the same key level as today, 605.80, right? A lot of people think this is bullish. How is 2 5-point drops from this move bullish? This is not bullish. I don't care if it retraced. This is bearish, right? Until proven otherwise, right? 605.80 support, we're going to new highs. Below 605.80, I'm bearish, right? So if we end up opening around the 604.50 level, we see weakness. I'm going to hit puts to 60305, right? Where we spent a lot of time on the last couple days, right? Let's go to the 5-minute chart. 60305, you can just tell a lot of time we've been spent here. And let's go to the bottom one, 60135. We spent a lot of time here. So we have two big levels of bounce levels. If we reject 60135, SPY's going to 59165. It's inevitable, right? We knew the best level to short. The best level to short happened today. After 5 points, if you just bought in and held and ended up not selling in a 5-point move, you're an idiot. That's your fault, right? I preached to the entire Discord. I'm selling the move after 1 point on SPY. Maybe leave some runners. I don't even think I'll get to a 2-point move on SPY. That's just being honest. Like, I'm learned to size in accordingly and sell the move. And people think you need a lot of capital to trade. The capital I'm going in with, 20, 30 contracts, 2 or 3 days out, I'm telling you, you would be disgusted knowing that I'm risking 10 to 15 grand and I'm making $1,000 in one bar. It happens, right? This is why, but not everyone can do it. This is why you need the proper education and you need time behind the screen. You need time watching a stock. This is why we preach, choose one ticker and just stay with it. One ticker with good liquidity, right? The bid and the ask are on par. That's what you want to look for. It doesn't have to be SPY. You can use my same strategy trading Tesla and Nvidia, but good luck trying to find a good ticker where the bid and the ask are dead on at all times. Okay? So moving forward to tomorrow, we're going to bank again. We do this live every single day for real on this side, okay? I'm pumped because it's been a crazy month. So 605.80, the best level to be watching, right? History shows that. We hold support. We're going to go fill the gap, upper gap at 608, right? There's an open gap at SPY at 608. So you're looking at a nice 2-point return on the call side. I'm cool with that. That's an empty pocket. I'm cool with calls at 605, at 606 calls to 608. I'm cool with that, right? I'm not just trying to shove bearishness down your throat. I'm looking at good risk to reward and buying calls at this support. I'm going long. We reject this. I'm getting calls to 601.35 because that's where we've been spending our time. If we reject this level, right, especially the 600 level, you're talking about a 9-point drop, inevitable 9-point drop. It's not going to bounce off here and bounce off of here. Like, I'm talking about macro, give it a couple days. This gap is going to fill. But above 605.80, SPY's bullish. And this is where you want to be buying call options. You start seeing some strong support, a strong floor, right? Get calls, 2 points to fill the gap. Where are you selling? You're selling before the gap because there's such thing as a partial gap close reversal, right? So you want to be selling mid 607s, right? Even though we know it could overextend, make new highs. It doesn't matter, okay? So I'm always selling the move. I'm buying in and selling the move. We size in accordingly. We are selling the freaking move. We're not holding same-day contracts, multiple strikes, being a degen, and blowing up our accounts. We're not doing that. We have a good risk to reward. I tell everyone, out of 10 trades, the next 10 day trades you have, risk 25 cents on each contract for 10 trades. Just try it. Hear me out. Try it. Risk 25 cents each time you buy in, 25 cents, whatever position size you have in, but give it 25 cents. Over 10 trades, you're going to be profitable. And if you're not, I'll give you a free membership. That's how confident I am. That's how simple it is. People don't get it. As long as you have a good losing strategy, you're going to be profitable, okay? Stick to a strategy. Live trade with me every single day at the Daily Sniper, the #1 options Discord in the world. We back it up 100%, 100% money back guaranteed. This is a type of program where I am live trading in the morning. You can see how a real 7-figure trader trades with real capital in a trade, and you can learn from how I am trading. I'm giving live call outs, but I'm also putting my money into it. I'm not just calling out random trades, right? And then after the live stream, there's a couple chatter here and there. I give maybe a little updates, and then we're back to the morning. Do you know why? Because my Discord makes bank first thing in the morning, and I teach them to walk away. Make your daily goal, walk away. There's no successful day trader that sits on the screen from market open to market close. They're broke. I'm telling you, 100% right. The whole point of being a day trader is to make your money and go enjoy your life. That's my strategy. My Discord knows that. I go work, right? I do the pre-market analysis live in the Discord. I live trade with the Discord community, and then I go to the gym, right? I know it may not look like I go to the gym, but I'm trying, okay? I'm trying to get physically active, so just bear with me. Give me Give me 6 months, hopefully, God willing. But anyways, I just want you guys, I'm trying to like explain this to everyone because too many people are holding losses. Their ego gets the best part of them. They know how to make money, but they don't know how to not lose money, right? And that's what I teach, just to make more than you lose. It's that simple of a math equation. You make more than you lose less than you make. So I don't care what strategy you trade. I don't care if you trade futures or options or shares, as long as you make more money than you lose, you're profitable. Okay? That is it. So thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We have a link in the bio right now. You don't need to buy tonight. You know why? Because I'm going live on YouTube. If you stuck around this long in the video and hear me ramble, I'm going live tomorrow, Fridays, live with the Daily Sniper tomorrow. If you guys would like to be a part of it, you can watch me do my magic, right? We don't just talk, I go live. That's it. We go live and we just prove our worth, okay? So if you'd like to be part of it, I will be live 9:20 a.m. Eastern time, 10 minutes before market open. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what trades you ended up hitting today. And that's it, everyone. Take care, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.